instant transmission. What's up guys, it's your boy WannabeMatt. Beautiful day, welcome back to another vlog. I really need to get better classes because this waking up early thing is not cutting it. I'm always running late. It's like I wake up so early but yet I'm still running late. It kind of like defeats the whole purpose of me waking up early, doesn't it? I'm gonna get to this class first and then I'm gonna go ahead and catch up with you guys.
You know, man. Yeah. I know we got one a buffalo soldier. Me a step with your hope, you're not afraid of the powder. Nah, give them no closure. If say them get me down, nah, give them me soldier. Can't give up my owner. Ship mode that surely sink, makes no clean. You flow like a dirty sink.
Oh, did I tell you guys to like my page and subscribe and stuff? Yeah, go do that. And I'ma go learn and shit. Okay, bye.
Yeah, don't try think of it. Nah, yam them food so them can't go time me. Drink them liquor that not so likely. Prefer me streets and connect to highly reason about tactic and perfect timing. Them so defenseless, cause no shield can't block me rhyming. I'm once in forever like planets aligning. Supernova shining, and you know man. Man a buffalo soldier, be a buffalo soldier. Don't take no for no answer. Every
What is lambda? Lambda will be equal to 5. Okay, so I'm asking you, what is the chance that
you want, you can go for. Man a buffalo soldier, be a buffalo soldier. Don't take no for no answer. Everything you want, you can go for. Tell them don't play with me, stay far from me. I pray.
this is what I'm asking about? Okay, so most of the can do is the sharp or the castle.
Calm a bit, and lyrics on my armory. Beating them with metallic bars, you see. As long as my heart pump flows to my artery. Me a chant. This is the temple of God, no demons allowed. No preachers inside, can't mix foolishness. No time, long time, me stop keep up with your lies. Because everything that lies in my eyes is mine.
What's up guys, welcome back. I didn't even bother to record my last class because I think that was a complete waste of like time. I just decided to pick up the vlog from here. I have to edit a video, I have to upload a video. Yeah, prepare for a hurricane. See, look at it, the rain is starting. I'm gonna show you guys the sky because there's a hurricane that's named after me coming. Look at the sky. It's like, it looks okay now, but yeah, there's a hurricane coming right now. I'm gonna show you guys the hurricane on some. Yep, it's called Hurricane Matthew.
You know.
What it do? So let's check off and see what exactly have I come. I've edited a video, uploaded a video, I'm still shooting a video. Yeah, that's 3 things. We don't need more than 3 things. So I've been pretty productive today. Look at the sky. Take a moment. Look at the sky. Are you guys seeing that? Yep, that's the storm before the that's the calm before the storm. Because we're expecting a hurricane. Yeah, as I told you guys, we're expecting a hurricane. Category 3 now, or 4? One of the above. And it's called Matthew, so I'm now a hurricane. In your face, you people that told me I would not amount to anything in life. I'm now a hurricane. Maybe I always wanted to be a hurricane when I grew up. Pretty looks like I'm chilling because it's still a pretty beautiful day. But I think I should be preparing for a hurricane. It's a pretty serious hurricane that's coming and we don't want to be unprepared for this one. A couple of the small islands got hit really bad by the hurricane. So if you are in the path of this hurricane, I want you guys to take the necessary precautions and be safe, guys, because these hurricanes are no joke. Stock up because all the supermarkets and stuff are like out of groceries and shit already. So you know it's a serious hurricane. So I think I'm just gonna hit up the supermarket before I go home just to be on the safe side. I think I'm gonna conclude the vlog here for today. Don't forget, guys, if you do like my videos, I've been getting a lot of positive feedback on my videos. So if you like my videos, just remember to give me a thumbs up and smash the subscribe button. I upload videos every Friday and some Tuesdays. So and then I upload random videos whenever. It's your boy WannabeMatt, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Woman, yeah. I know we got one a buffalo soldier. Me a step with Jehovah, not afraid of the powder. Nah, give them no closure. He said